Okay, get yourself situated in a nice, comfortable position. Take a deep breath, and we'll begin to relax. Throughout the course of my life, I've been amazed, awed, and mesmerized by the power of words. Seemingly simple sentences and phrases can have an intentional or unintentional impact on the entire course of someone's life. Personally, I've always been fascinated by the word relaxation. It's a word that has such a powerful vibration. It can't really be encompassed by many other similar words, like peaceful, calm, or serene, or effortless, tranquil, soothing, or restful. And it's all amazing, the impact these words can have on the very fabric of your being, where it's still, motionless, and centered in the very center of nothingness. And some of my favorite relaxing words are very often found in nature, like a gentle sky, or a placid lake, a cool breeze, or the stillness of night. And sometimes an image can capture the same feeling, like a moon on a motionless lake. The majesty of a glorious mountain peak, or the divinity of a glorious sunset. The words and the images all leading us to that sacred space deep down inside, where we are at one and at ease, in a state of blissful and serene peace. Very calm, very peaceful, and very deeply relaxed. Very calm, very peaceful, and very deeply relaxed. Calm, peaceful, relaxed. Calm, peaceful, relaxed. And what I would like you to do now is to imagine in front of your eyes the face of your parents, and thank them for all the strength and support they have given you. Deeply wish for their well-being. Now slowly see them merge into you and become one with you. Inhale, and as you exhale, gently say to yourself, "We are one. Imagine in front of your eyes the face of your siblings and friends. Thank them for all the fun and learning they have shared with you. Deeply wish for their well-being. Now slowly see them merge into you and become one with you. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently say to yourself, we are one. Imagine in front of your eyes the face of your partner, past, present, or even future. Thank them for all the love and understanding they have given you. Deeply wish for their well-being. Now slowly see them merge into you and become one with you. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently say to yourself, we are one. Imagine in front of your eyes the face of your children, or yourself as a child, and thank them for being part of your life. Deeply wish for their well-being. Now slowly see them merge into you and become one with you. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently say to yourself, we are one. Imagine in front of your eyes the face of your colleagues and associates. Thank them for being part of your success. Deeply wish for their well-being. Now slowly see them merge into you and become one with you. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently say to yourself, we are one. Imagine in front of your eyes all life on this planet. Connect with all people, animals, fish, birds, water, and the air. Be thankful for this gift of life. And realize your existence is inseparable from theirs. Deeply wish for the well-being of all life. Now slowly see them merge into you and become one with you. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently say to yourself, we are one. Now allow yourself to expand as you connect to the entire universe. Visualize the living and the non-living, all forms and the formless, the physical and the non-physical blend to become one. There are no boundaries between space and time. There is no division between the me and the not me. All that there is. And that is limitless consciousness. You are this limitless consciousness. Inhale. And as you exhale, softly say to yourself, we are one. So continue to rest and begin to open up and feel the quantum energy field. You may begin to feel unusual sensations inside or even outside of your body. It may be a feeling of tingling or gentle movement, or perhaps a feeling of warmth. Or maybe it's simply deep peace. Or possibly, you may feel as if mild electricity is moving through your body or through your consciousness. You may feel illuminated with beams of light coming into your body. Or it may be accompanied by color, visions, awareness, or very pleasant feelings. Whatever it is, just soak it all in this very precious moment, and in this very sacred moment. Now let's continue on for the next few minutes to deepen the experience in profound silence. Just continue to breathe and to relax for the next 3 minutes in silence. Okay, take another deep breath. Gently rub your hands together in prayer position to end the meditation and to close off your energy field. And when you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes and drift back in to the conscious world.